Filter replacement. If the unit's orange light blinks slowly, it means the filter is near the end of its service life. You need to replace it with a new filter in time. Follow these steps to replace the filter. First, make sure the entire unit is powered off. Use a Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the 2 screws on the unit body. Flip open the filter cover. Loosen and lift the 4 retaining clips. Take out the old filter. Insert the new filter. Put back and fasten the 4 retaining clips. Cover the filter cover. Finally, tighten the 2 screws on the unit body.